Let me ask you something. Do you know people who work 10 to 12 hours a day, but still struggle with money? And then there are people who work less, but keep getting richer every year. So what's the difference? It's not talent. It's not luck. And it's not hard work. It's the method they use. And today, I'm going to show you the method that beats hard work in creating wealth. We were all taught one thing: work hard and you'll be successful. So we believed more hours equals more money, more struggle equals more reward. But look around. Delivery riders work hard. Factory workers work hard. Office employees work hard. Are they rich? No. So here's the uncomfortable truth. Hard work pays bills. Smart methods build wealth. And most people are using the wrong method. Big idea. Wealth is not built by effort. Wealth is built by systems, plus leverage, plus direction. Let me explain this in simple language. There are two types of people. Type 1, I will work harder. Type 2, I will build something that works for me. One depends on energy. One depends on systems. And energy runs out, but systems keep running. Method, part 1, systems, not motivation. Most people manage money like this. I'll save if something is left. I'll invest when I feel ready. I'll be careful next month. That's emotional money management. Rich mindset is different. They use systems. Money is saved automatically. Money is invested automatically. Expenses are controlled automatically. No willpower needed. No motivation needed. Because systems don't get tired. Example, poor system. Salary comes. Spend, first save, later. Wealth system. Salary comes. Save, first spend, what's left. Same income. Different system. Different result. That's why this method beats hard work. Method, part 2, leverage, not hours. Hard work is limited by your body. You only have 24 hours, one brain, one energy level. So if you trade time for money, your income has a ceiling. Leverage removes that ceiling. Leverage means skills, business, content, investments, assets. Example, a worker works 8 hours, gets paid once. A business owner builds a system Arrow, gets paid many times. A content creator creates once, Arrow earns again and again. An investor puts money Arrow. Money works for him. Hard work equals linear leverage, equals exponential. That's why the method beats effort. Method, part 3, direction, not speed. Imagine this. You're running very fast, but in the wrong direction. Does speed help? No. That's what most people do with money. They hustle. They take overtime. They stay busy. But they don't know where money is going, how money grows, what assets are, what liabilities are. So they move fast, but go nowhere. Wealth is not about moving fast. It's about moving right. Why people stay stuck because this method is boring. Saving is boring. Investing is slow. Systems are invisible. Results take time. But struggle looks heroic. So people choose drama over discipline, emotion over system, hard work over smart work. And then they say, why am I still broke? Not because they didn't try, but because they used the wrong method. Real life example, two friends, same salary. Friend A spends first saves when possible. No investments, no system. Friend B auto saves, auto invests, controls lifestyle, builds skills. After 1 year, small difference. After 5 years, huge gap. After 10 years, different lives, same effort, different method. Core message. This video is not saying don't work hard. It is saying don't only work hard. Because hard work without a system equals survival. Hard work with a system equals wealth. Effort is fuel. Method is engine. And engine always beats fuel. Here's what you can do today. 1. Build a simple money system. Save first, Spend later. 2. Learn one skill that creates leverage: business, investing, or content. 3. Stop asking, how hard can I work? Start asking, how can this work without me? That's the wealth question. Hard work helps you survive, but smart methods help you escape. So if you really want wealth, don't just work harder. Build the method that beats hard work. If this made sense to you, you're already thinking differently. And that's how wealth starts. Like this video if you learned something. Subscribe if you want more psychology of money. Because money is not about numbers. It's about how you think.